Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing the body kit. This has been a long time coming and I'm really excited to finally do this. My car, like when I take it places and I look from afar, it looks so high off the ground. So this is gonna lower that clearance by a lot. I think it's like 2 to 3 inches or something like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to get lower. And an update on the car, it got fixed. There's no more pinch in this corner right here, and they actually fixed this whole entire quarter panel, door, and some of the front fender. So there used to be a mark down here, that's gone. There used to be a ding right around here, that's also gone, and pretty much any dent on this side is all gone. It sort of makes my car look uneven because on the other side I have like 20 dents, and then on this side I have no dents. So you know, from now on car shows I'm going to be only showing this side. So this is the work that we're going to be doing to the side skirts today. First thing we need to accomplish is getting rid of these holes right here. We also have some other parts to Bondo. Maybe we're going to do the bottom side, but I don't really know since I'm not really going to see it that often. Over here we need to do a little fixing because it's just not even, so we're going to sand this down, make it really nice. So after we Bondo and prime it, we're going to put it on the car. So the first step that we need to do is we need to take out these mud flaps right here. It's preventing us from putting on the actual side skirt. So this is a fitment of the body kit. It looks really good in the back, but right here there's a little bit of a gap, so we're going to try to hit that with some tape to make it, you know, push it in a little bit like that so it stays. We're going to have to drill some holes into the body, but they're at the way bottom, which no one will ever see. And if I ever want to take this off, I could probably just plug it with a plug. It's not as low as I wanted it to be. It's pretty high off the ground still, but it is an improvement from what I was dealing with before. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this. I'm really excited to be adding this to the car because this is one of the biggest mods I've ever done in my car, and I think it's really going to change up the whole look of my car. Another thing is you guys been telling me to stop doing the floating head trick, which means I only go up to here. I'm going to try to include more of my body. I'm working on my camera angles. I've never done this stuff before, so I'm really working as I go along. And hopefully in the future, or maybe for Christmas or something like that, I'll get a vlogging camera so it's even better quality videos. I really do like the ducks or whatever they're called back here. They add so much style to the car. Another thing is my spacers did break in the back, so I'm gonna have to get new ones. They warped because they had a bump. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get new spacers. So now that we know what fits and everything, we're gonna head to the store and pick up the parts that we need to install it. I'm really excited because this is the last part that I need to make this car JDM OEM. So if you would pick this car up from Japan, this car would have all the upgrades with the TRD kit and the hardtop. All right guys, so we just got back from Home Depot and we're finna start. We have 1 hour till the sun goes down, so we gotta do this super quick. And I was not expecting to spend $125 at Home Depot. I thought I was gonna spend like 40 bucks, maybe 50, but you know, we spent 120, so bank account's looking a little dry right now. So we better do it right because I don't have enough money to do it again. All right guys, so I laid it out in steps. We have to do the Bondo first, then the sandpaper. We're gonna make it look really smooth, put a primer on it, maybe sand it down again to just make everything super smooth. And then we got double-sided tape and the rivet gun. We're gonna drill 2 in the front and 2 in the middle, and then for the back holes, we're gonna use the OEM mud flap holes and use the OEM screws for that. So we're not gonna have to drill into the back. All right, so now for the Bondo. So golf ball amount of that, 1¼ inch of hardener, and we mix it together and we should be good to go. Ew.
What do you think?
So this is going to take out all the air bubbles in the Bondo, hopefully. That's what I learned on the internet, mostly from that video that Sonny was painting his car, but I guess David is doing it better than me, and he learned it from somebody else. So first thing, that little thing over there. It is right there.
You always put more. That's the number one tip.
By who?
I don't know. Just everyone.
You don't know?
Everyone, wherever.
The number one tip, you don't know who it's from, but it's to put more than less. So we finished. I put some right here because it was a small scuff that was pretty deep, so I just put some fiberglass over it, and I put a lot right here and here because that's where those big old holes were. So more the merrier, and we're gonna get to the rear lip now. I don't even know if I'm gonna put the eyelids on anymore because my car is looking so nice with these clear headlights. They just look really, really nice. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet, but leave a comment down below if you think I should. One place that I really wanna put Bondo is right here. I think what happened was he cracked it while it was in the shop and you tried to repair it real quick instead of making a new one. So there's a little indent right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Bondo throughout here and just sand it down and make it look really, really clean. All right, so a little update. I think we're finished with everything. We put a lot in the middle because there's a bunch of little holes. We put some over the crack and we also put some on the seam over here. The problem with the seam is that this, I think these are two things and he connected them. So one of this is a little, it raises out more than this. So put some Bondo over it. Like I said, we're gonna sand it later. But right now, I think we're just gonna wait for it to dry and we already got the sandpaper little things ready to go. All right guys, so we're back again. This is the second day we're working on the body kit. Yesterday we finished the Bondo and now we're gonna be working on sanding today. So I went to the store this morning to get a sanding block because I thought we needed another one because we're gonna get two so we can work on this faster than getting one. And I went to go pick up the sanding block and by the time I got home, David was out here waiting and he also brought a sanding block. So I just spent $7 on nothing. I told him I was getting one and he didn't even like tell me he had one. So yeah, so now we got three, and by the time he told me, I was opening up the package, so I can't even return it either. So, we're gonna get to work. Hopefully this turns out well. It's dry right now, and you know, we're just gonna hope it works. So this is our 45-minute update. We've been working on this spot for a little bit, and we've also been working on this spot. This is pretty smooth right here. Take a little bit of the black gel out, but I guess that's okay. We're working out our arms a lot today. This one in particular is being real strong because I've been sanding with this one 45 minutes, a little sore. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray paint the primer on there.
What is up, YouTube? Shoot. Of course, the one time where I'm gonna feel awkward, there's a girl right there. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Hakosan and Caswell. Hakosan's embarrassed. It's cool though, we just chugged 6 natties. Yeah. You embarrassed?
Yeah. Why so embarrassed, bro?
She fuck me good when I'm having a bad day. I'm proud to say that you my babe. And when I hit it, she screaming my first name. That's real love, you can't tell me that it ain't. We don't go out to eat, we go on shopping sprees. Spend raggies on shit we don't need.
All right guys, so we did the third coat and I'm almost done. I think I want to put one more coat in. I'm using the primer to fill up the little tiny holes that I didn't get with the Bondo because I don't want to do the Bondo again. And it's looking really, really good. So here it is. So it's mostly done. It's two-tone and I hope that goes away once it fully dries, but it's looking really, really good. Better than it was before. So I'm gonna finish up and we're gonna get to installing it.